Jiten Debbarma, the Tipra Motha Party candidate for the 16 Mandai Nagar Pulinpur TTAADC constituency, exercised his franchise today at the Purba Debendranagar JB School polling station. After casting his vote, Mr. Debbarma urged citizens to ensure a peaceful election cycle. He highlighted that active participation in the democratic system is a fundamental step toward protecting the rights and welfare of the Tipra community.
Joto bangsa kita sono ani kaham tai coba nih cibai ini belai ke kaisa ani live ni ba ani sak baitang tai as a candidate ini ani casting dekha ani taklai ni boot sini next election bagai taklai ni boot save TTAADC tai sin buba gano contract ini taklai ni boot so ang tini belai ke proud feel kayo as a koroksa buba gani songjak candidate hisabe ang tini ani jadi boot ani ji baraka ang abo bagi belai ke tau tau hasten ni joto lo pro no bun koinai norgi to tharbu abo chini dofa ni mathangjakani taisi TTAADC narakani taisi ni buba grano contract ni abon bagai hasteni joto luku tai ani especially 16 Mandai Nagar Pulinpur TTAADC constituency ni joto luku rokno ani khaka hamtangnai norbo mahikeno angrama hikeno norbo chini andro somario budui chini buba grano tai Tipra phano mathangai naraklen bagai man ko tharputko ranin ko hambai
Pure report, Chini Khorang.